Kincaid Auction Realty is offering a huge inventory of beacon outdoor lighting. This massive inventory came from a closed manufacturing plant in Bradenton, Florida. Along with lights, you're going to find parts, supplies, LED panels, and light poles. Now is the time to update your outdoor lighting with efficient LED lighting. Whether you're lighting a street, a ball field, a playground, or whatever, sidewalk, or even your front yard, this is a place to come. Save hundreds of dollars on late model quality fixtures. Go to our website, www.kincaid.com, see the catalog, and get all of the information on how you can participate on this gigantic extravaganza.